Hi everyone. Welcome back to AnHome channel, where we make social media simple. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram stories. Want to make your stories pop with the perfect soundtrack? Stick around as I show you how to add music to your Instagram stories, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and swipe right or tap on your profile picture to start a new story. Step 2. Capture a new photo or video or swipe up to choose from your gallery. Step 3. Once you've got your visual, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Step 4. Now, find and select the music sticker, which will open up Instagram's music library. Step 5. Here's the fun part. Search for a song, or browse through the categories to find the perfect track for your story. Step 6. After choosing a song, you can scroll through the track to select the exact part you want to feature. Step 7. Decide how you want the music to appear. You can show the lyrics, the album cover, or just a simple music note. Step 8. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Done, and then share your story with the world, and that's it. You've just added a soundtrack to your Instagram story. Experiment with different songs and see how they can change the vibe of your content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.